How is motherhood going to change your choices, your acting, your career? 7 साल का ब्रेक तो लिया, लेकिन बीच में काम किया है, बहुत काम किया है, but अब what is changing now?
आप टाइम मैनेजमेंट,
Hmm.
मैंने सोचा था मैं एटलीस्ट 6 महीने काम नहीं करूंगी.
Hmm.
He's so small. How can I
Okay.
leave him with anyone or stress him out by bringing him on set? I was like, no, I'm in no rush.
Hmm.
I can 7 साल नहीं किए तो without it, having a child as the reason, so I can take my time.
Are you a nervous mother?
Not at all.
Not at all. Chilled
No,
out.
I was.
बिल्कुल.
When I was younger, I used to think I was born to be a mother.
हाँ.
मुझे 4 बच्चे चाहिए थे by the time I was 25 or 30.
Okay.
But no, so I was ready for this.
हाँ.
6 महीने ऐसा वो 6 महीने को होगा तब तक I'll get back to work. But 1 or 2 good scripts came my way. And I was like, guys, I'm going to have a baby when you're shooting, so I don't think I can do that. I said, if you can wait till December next year, then, I mean, I said that to them last year in June or August. I said, if you can wait till December 2025, maybe we can do it. They still haven't done it. So they said, maybe. I was like, okay. Then another script came my way. बहुत अच्छा था. Perfect. Everything was, it was a good team, good script and all that. But then last minute, Islamabad shift हुआ वो. So another great team, doing it there. But roll पे नाम लिखा होता है.
You were like, Islamabad तो मैं नहीं जा सकती.
I can't. I mean, I would have, before Wali, I would have easily gone there. But with a 3-month-old, I can't.
Is the set ever going to be a place where you can take a baby? ले जा सकते हैं?
A lot of my colleagues have done it, but they, the beauty of having a child younger is that the grandparents are younger. तो आपने बच्चा नानी दादी को दे दिया, and you don't even have to think twice. I'd imagine.
Yeah.
But having a child later, the grandparents are now also in their 70s, so you can't just leave them. You still need to then either be there yourself or get help.
Yeah.
So sets where all of them used to have their mothers to help them. There's always been a room. Look, if the production team wants that actress और उनका भी बच्चा हुआ है तो वो एक कमरा डिमांड कर सकती हैं कि मेरे ये टाइमिंग्स होंगी, मैं घर से इतने बजे आ सकती हूँ, इतने बजे जाना होगा मुझे, if she's feeding him, her, you take those breaks. Yeah, I mean, so they accommodate you as much as they can. क्या हो सकता है? हाँ, commercials पे बहुत करते हैं.
Yeah.
Even now when I was discussing this project, they were, I was like, look, मैं पहले से बताती हूँ, I need XYZ things. They were like, आप पहले से बताएंगी तो आसान होता है. Last minute expect करेंगी कि ये होगा और कुछ नहीं होगा, and then तो मुश्किल होता है. But you tell us from now, and we'll try and have it done. And I was like, great, okay.
Excellent.
और फिर वो इस्लामाबाद मैंने कहा नहीं.
Let's not push it.
Yeah.
Let's not push it.
That would be impossible.
You wouldn't be able to do those पहाड़ी roles now. वो मुश्किल हो जाता.
मतलब just to be away, मैं बेबी को लेके इस्लामाबाद में मेरा सपोर्ट सिस्टम ही नहीं है. मोहब अपना काम कर रहे हैं, सास को ले आऊंगी, ठीक है, फिर there's a whole system that you have at home. You can't just, not yet, he's too small.
Although Mohib's a hands-on father, but still. Yeah. So concluding with Manto, going back to मैं Manto नहीं हूँ. First time with Humayun Saeed.
Yes.
First time with Nadeem Beg.
Yes.
First KRQ script as well.
KRQ script.
First time with Sajjal as well.
First time with all the actors.
Completely new cast and crew. Saima, Babar Ali, all of them, right? New. How was working with Sajjal?
I was always waiting to work with her. She's Patakhi. She's like a little firecracker. She's just अपनी lines, अपना scene, अपना सब कुछ तैयार होके आती है. She's I don't know how much she preps for her lines because we'd have different timings. But it was amazing to see her go with her dialogues, not forget, give it her best every time. She's very funny. She and Beg Saab have a very funny relationship, like they'll tease each other. Her and Asif Saab were, a treat to watch, laughing, joking. And I was like, such a mature relationship and a really good image to put out there for people.
Yeah.
Is to not hold grudges and be like, अब इनके साथ काम नहीं हो सकता, इनके साथ. I mean, just अगर किसी को तकलीफ नहीं है, आपको क्या तकलीफ हो रही है?
Yeah.
So that was a good relationship dynamic to see.
When have you been watching Manto as it airs?
I've been watching.
Have you watched? Would you have changed anything about Mehmil's character? Because Mehmil भी लोगों को confuse कर रही है.
हाँ, Mehmil भी confuse कर रही है. It's true. Like वो जो एक टीचर पे उसने उसकी बीवी पे जोक बनाया था, हाँ, it wasn't nice.
Yeah.
But I don't know अगर, and I'm saying this, and people like a lot of my colleagues and friends who I saw were like, that was really inappropriate. But it's a character. This girl, वो दिखाया है that this girl is a बदतमीज,
Yeah,
inappropriate girl. What she
absolutely.
said was not nice. It was rude. It was obnoxious.
Yeah.
People shouldn't speak like that. But आप ऐसे characters दिखाओगे तो आपको एहसास होगा ना कि वो कितनी बदतमीज लड़की थी.
Yeah.
So that dynamic,
बदतमीज लोग
and
ऐसे
Sajal did
बोलते
it so
हैं.
well, you know,
Yeah.
just with the big eyes and her innocent little face and the cheeky lookaways that she does. She just played that character the way it was written, the way she needed to. Is it confusing? It is a little bit because she's. But where is it confusing? Because वो उसका मुंह तो चलता है मंटो साहब के सामने भी, अपने अब्बा के सामने भी, अपने फूफो को भी सुनाती है. She is a cheeky, confident,
Yeah.
overconfident brat.
मगर शादी करना भी चाह रही है हजरत के साथ, नहीं भी करना चाह रही.
Because she's naughty.
She's naughty.
She's naughty. Because she knows she has to marry Hazrat. I mean, this is an infatuation with Manto. She knows the student
Which
teacher.
the Popo is trying to really drive hard कि नहीं तुम्हें मोहब्बत है, तुम blush कर रही
And
है.
वो कर तो रही है इतना बात ना. Popo's like, I'm not dumb बेटा, तुम मेरे से ही बात करती हो, मुझे पता है. तो she's. But girls do that sometimes.
Yeah.
We're not. Memel is not what she plays in Zal Patton Ke Band and the other characters. She's not, Chammi.
She's not your typical.
She's not playing that character that you want to look up to right now. She's playing a character you might want to strangle. You might think, what is this girl? It's just another character out of the millions of characters that you come across in life and you read about in books and see in other movies. आप बाकी फिल्मों में, हॉलीवुड के, बॉलीवुड के फिल्मों में इस तरह के characters देखते हो. लेकिन जब आपकी अपनी एक जो इतने अच्छे पावरफुल रोल्स करती है, एक अनोइंग रोल प्ले करती है ना, तो इट डजंट सिट, इट कंफ्यूजेस ऑडियंसेस. द पूल इज सो स्मॉल, द कंटेंट कम ही है, तो इसलिए हम लोग ज़्यादा जज्बाती हो जाते हैं, इमोशनल हो जाते हैं चीज़ों के. लेकिन इट्स ओके, होता है. आई मीन आई अंडरस्टैंड. शी इज जस्ट अ नॉटी ब्रैट.
She's a naughty brat.
हाँ,
सही है.
she's a naughty brat. He's a pappu. He's the villain, the charming villain.
Yeah, totally.
I'm the bichari Allah Miyan ki gaye, trying to.
I hope कि इतनी बेचारी भी नहीं है वैसे Miss Maria.
Bichari, like she won't get Manto.
She won't get Manto, obviously. Yeah.
She's going to help Manto get the girl.
Although she looks very good with Manto, I have to say.
Of course, they're age appropriate.
Yeah, they both look good
same,
together. I
yeah.
mean, everything, height, stature,
Yeah,
profession,
yeah.
सब कुछ Miss Maria and Mr.
तो
Manto
ऐसे
look
मैंने
good
दीप से
together.
कही थी, अब हुमायूं और मैं अच्छे लग रहे हैं ना साथ. मुझे हमेशा पता था. अब next
हाँ.
think about our casting. He's like, I've already got it down.
Yeah.
I was like, yeah, it would be a waste to just do this with Humayun.
Yeah.
So yeah, that would be.
So coming back to and concluding with Miss Maria's styling, because
yes.
the saris have become
Yes.
also a topic of conversation.
Saris
Beautiful
become topic
saris.
conversation. Saris have become something that girls are really enjoying wearing.
Yeah.
Fatma wears them beautifully. Fatma Amjad, that beautiful dancer who also plays Madiha.
Of course.
So she's also inspiring young girls to wear a sari so casually and gracefully.
Yeah.
And there are so many local girls who ab sariyan bana rahi hain ready made. I'd love to give them a shout out.